We're going to have Perrier Jouet, Blanc de Blanc. Oh, wow! Bravo, Ayuk. You've done it, Come. Christmas is just around the corner, and what would be a special Singapore Christmas dish? Of course, a Eurasian curry devil. And with me is a special guest, Wong Ayuk. Ayuk, how is the onion doing?
Well, I'm trying my best, okay? I'm not a chef. I just know how to eat, so you better check that I'm doing it correctly.
That's doing very well. And you know the curry devil is made up of leftovers from the Christmas feast?
That's right, yeah.
I learned this dish about 45 years ago from a Eurasian lady. You put everything in it. So it's left over, I think the pineapple comes from the Christmas ham, and the potatoes from the Christmas roast.
Yes.
As well as we have carrots, which have been cleaned, cut into wedges. So if I want to oil food to put in the oven, the best way is to put in a bowl. This way, you don't have to use much oil. Now these are the pork ribs and the chicken. And I have actually pre-marinated it. You put some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce for the color, a bit of pepper, and then a bit of lime juice.
Oh, the lime juice will help to tenderize it too,
I think so, right?
Okay, and
These
this
are
is
my
the
pork
pork
ribs.
rib, also with the same marinade?
Same marinade. I'm going to put first the pork. It will take a longer time to cook, about 20 minutes.
Careful.
Yes. And I can prepare my vegetables. It's going to go into the stew.
Okay.
So I have tomatoes.
Will be cut in wedges as well?
Into 8 whole chilies, red and green. So this goes into the stew. You actually do this, cut into half, and leave it like that.
You don't have to remove the seeds.
No. You can if you want.
But we like it spicy, right?
We like it spicy. And then the cabbage, I'm just going to cut a quarter into chunks. And in the meantime, let's have a look at my other ingredients. I have sausages, and Ayuk, this doesn't pass your test, right?
No. Because in the past, the only sausage they use is this cheap cocktail sausage, right? The canned ones.
That's authentic, right?
That's the authentic one. This one too high class.
I know, very high class. This is Italian sausage. I'm going to put it in the oven. And then this is something that we have, which is roast pork babi panggang.
Okay, that one is also new to me.
Yeah.
But that's the thing about curry devil, right? Every family has its own recipe.
know.
So there's no right or
Everything's-
wrong.
yeah.
So it depends on which family's recipe you're using.
In about 15 minutes. Wow, smoking, that's very nice. Like getting brown.
Not hot.
Hot lah, but bionic fingers. Now we're ready for our spice mix. So this is like the chilies, and I'm using Bombay onions, which are for local food, which is purple onions. 10 dried chilies,
You also soak it because it makes it easier to blend.
and then I have ginger, about 50 grams, and I have about 1 or 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. And last, the turmeric.
It really
So
stains
it's
your fingers.
So I have pre-measured already, like about 6 tablespoons of white vinegar, 6 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and then I have sugar quite a lot, and then salt about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons, dark soy sauce, mustard powder, English mustard as well. A wire whisk is actually very Western, chefs do this, so that you remove all the lumps. So this is about 3 to 5 cups, so I'll just use about 2 cups water. Actually, when you have a stew, you don't add all the water because then it becomes a soup. You add as the water evaporates. Everything is nicely browned. And you know, all the smoke is on my face. Very good for the complexion.
Free facial. I hope it doesn't spatter.
That's lovely sound, right? Yes. You see, so lovely to have a cooker helper.
Yeah, onion thrower.
Throw onion, throw a bit more. Whisk the sauce and put it all in. You would just actually cover it 3/4 if you want to make a stew. If you fully cover it, it's happened to me before, then all the juices come out and it becomes a soup. And I don't want it to be too overcooked because I don't want it all looking messy. So let's just try maybe about half an hour. I'll start with 20 minutes. Ayuk is stirring the bottom so that the spice mix doesn't settle down and get burnt. At this moment, we are going to throw everything else, the pineapple and the pan juices. Ayuk, can you help me? Yeah, these are
the
called pan
yumminess.
juices and all the yumminess and the pineapple.
My first taste of curry devil was when I came to Singapore in 1981 to study in NUS.
Yeah.
And one of my tutorial mates was a Eurasian girl, and she would invite us every year to her home for Christmas. And that's when I first ate curry devil. Now it's become so popular, people use it as the main dish for Christmas, right?
I know. Doing quite well.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see whether it's soft enough. The pork may be okay. I think so.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
It's fine, right? Steam the cabbage on top. Just open it up. And so we just turn off the fire. Okay, let's go into our table. Come, Ayo.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, how come you go there, I go here? It's a wonderful Singapore winter, right, Ayo?
That's right,
With the
yeah.
rain, just nice for our Christmas party.
Yeah, just sets the right
Just
mood.
nice. Cheers, Ayo. This is a lovely way to start the Christmas season.
Yes.
And so you can set an elegant table, but you don't have to eat elegantly. We can eat the way we love to eat, enjoy with gusto, right, in Singapore.
Just enjoy it.
Yeah, just enjoy it.
It's lovely, Violet.
Well, it has been an unusual year, but I think our friendships are still intact, and it's so lovely to be with friends together. And you're always eating out, but you still enjoy home meals, family meals.
Oh, I'm always very happy when I get a home cooked meal.
Yeah,
So
I'm
thanks so much, Violet, for inviting me.
And I'm always waiting to be invited, and people don't invite me, you know. It's a
Oh,
hit.
because nobody dares to invite you, you know.
I know, but they cook so well, and I'm waiting
Yeah,
to
but
be
who would dare
invited.
to invite you?
Why not? Why
Yeah,
not?
who can
Why
cook
not?
better than you, right?
Can, definitely.
I would definitely not
Oh,
invite
dear.
you.
We have 6 bottles of Perrier Jouet Grand Brut champagne to be won by 6 of our lucky viewers. Tell us in the comment section of this YouTube video, how do you plan to enjoy your bottle of Perrier Jouet champagne if you win one? Join our contest and stand a chance to win one of 6 bottles of Perrier Jouet champagne sponsored by Pernod Ricard. See our YouTube video post for more details.